In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your YouTube rankings on your mobile device. This is an Android device, so I'm going to be heading to the Google Play Store, but you can go ahead and go to the Apple App Store as well, because this app is available for both iOS and Android, and you want to search for Tubebuddy. Tap on Tubebuddy, and as you can see, I have it installed already, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now you'll need to sign in with your Google account, and you don't have to worry about connecting your YouTube channel with Tubebuddy because it is YouTube certified. It's 100% safe. And I also want to mention that they do have a free plan, but if you're a YouTube content creator, I highly recommend getting the paid plan, which comes in at less than $5 if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. I'm going to choose the Google account that's associated with my YouTube channel. Now I just want to select my YouTube channel, and now my videos have been loaded up. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a video from a few days back or a few weeks back. Let's select this one right here, and you just have to tap on it. And then you can see at the bottom there's a bar and it has different icons. One is a clipboard, the first one, and the next one is a tags. You want to tap on the tags icon, and now it's going to load up the search rankings of your specific tags that you've used on your video. The green numbers on the left of the tag is your YouTube rankings. So you can see for those selected tags, I'm ranking number 19, number 19, and number 20. So this is a way on how you can see your YouTube rankings on a mobile device. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.